Hello, good morning. Myself Akshay, and today's my technical topic is the encapsulation, and today's date is 2nd May 2024. So in this video, we have to discuss encapsulation. Actually, it is a type of a object-oriented programming language. Actually, OOPS concept have four main pillars. First one is a polymorphism, second one is a inheritance, third one is a abstraction, and fourth one is a encapsulation. Actually, the main purpose of OOP is deal with real world entity using the programming language. Actually, it is a main features is that we can use the program is a reuse method. Means suppose we have to write multiple time, that time one method call at that time we can reuse the code. Means we can use a multiple times code. Second one is a code reliability. That things are most important help to the object oriented programming language. And become with the help of we have to programming language perform a different action in a easy way. So first now in this video we have to discuss actually what is the encapsulation. Actually, encapsulation is the process of wrapping the code and data into the single unit. That time we have to know is that it is an encapsulation. The main feature is that we can create fully encapsulated in a private data members. Means it is a store private data members, and it is a important features about the encapsulation. Actually, in the encapsulation process we can use a setter and getter method. Means it is a very important method. We can use a programming language. Suppose we have to go into the advanced things, that time we are using the setter and getter method. Actually, main purpose is that the setter is used for the set the values of the given scenario, and the getter method are used for the get the method of the given situation. Actually, that things are much more important about the process of the encapsulation. And now we have to discuss actually real-time example of the encapsulation. Actually, encapsulation in the process means actually data wrapping the data and code into the single unit. Means suppose we have to taken the example of the capsule. We have to know in the capsule actually they have two situation are connected to each other, and it contain the data and members. Suppose we have to know it is a common called pills. We have to see in the previous time. Actually, it contains the small element. It contains the data members. Actually, that process are going to the encapsulated. Means it process the internal things. Means capsule. That things are much more important process of the encapsulation. Actually, in the encapsulation we can call the different type of a aggregation function. Actually, it is aggregate the different type of function. Actually, there as a is a relationship between of them. Means we in the setter and getter method we have to set the different type of method, and in the getter things we have to get the different type of method. That time we have to use the aggregation function on that particular moment. Means they have to aggregate the different type of things on the situation. Means it is a encapsulation is a important role as the in the object oriented programming language. Actually, means we have to call the setter and getter method. That time they have to our work is very easily to the uh, calling the different type of instruction and calling the different type of method of that particular movement, and it is important to that. So these things are much more important in a encapsulation, as well as is ops concept are important the Java programming language. We suppose that things are contained in the object oriented language. That time we have to say it is a Java is a object oriented programming language. But Java is a actually not a pure object oriented program. Actually, behind the reason is that Java contains the primitive data type. Means integer, float, character, boolean. That type of a primitive data type it contains Java. That's the reason Java is a not pure object oriented programming language, but Java is a object oriented language. Actually in the Java's multiple inheritance actually it is not supported in the programming language, so these things are much more important in the encapsulation in the object oriented programming and this is Java. So thank you so much.